Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use DRS in F1 24. DRS can be used only in DRS zones which are visible on the minimap. Every time you see the green on the track, on the minimap, then it means that you can use the DRS. Now, you can also open the settings and go over here to Assist, and here you will find DRS Assist. If you have this option disabled, then you will need to press a specific button in order to use the DRS. However, if you turn this option on, you will not have to do that. Once you enter the DRS zone, then the DRS will be enabled automatically. The DRS zone, like I said, can be seen from the map, and once you approach the DRS zone, you will see the information at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see right now, I'm approaching the DRS, and once I am there, I can use the DRS. Now, if you use the DRS Assist, then like I said, you won't have to do anything. However, if you are playing without the DRS Assist, you will have to press Y on Xbox controller or triangle on PlayStation controller. And if you are playing on keyboard, you want to press F in order to use the DRS. If you are in the practice mode, then DRS is enabled pretty much from the beginning, from lap 1. And on the other hand, during the normal race, the DRS system is available only after the second or third lap. You'll also see the information about the DRS being enabled at the top of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.